Ashored is a BlueTech company based in Bedford, Nova Scotia. We develop solutions for the blue economy, such as a whale-safe fishing gear, data analytics package, and automated data gathering equipment as well.
We're working with developers of new innovative technologies such as Ashored, where we test different gear innovations for mitigating entanglement of marine mammals, namely the North Atlantic right whale, which is a critically endangered species on the Atlantic coast of North America.
The concept is fairly straightforward. We have three pieces of the solution. The first one is our Moby, which contains all the rope and the buoy and everything that goes down on the ocean floor with the lobster or crab traps. That contains the rope and keeps the water column free for marine life to pass, surface vessels. The next piece in the puzzle is our Moby Commander, and that's kind of like an IoT hub on the vessel. It manages communication both below the waterline and above it. And then the third piece is our Atlas platform, which is a data analytics package, but is also the human interface to interact with the gear.
One innovation that we work on quite a lot is called ropeless or on-demand gear. And this is the idea where you have the fishing gear on the ocean floor, but rather than having that buoy line in the water column at all times, the buoy line is held at the bottom with the gear. So there's no persistent buoy line in the water. It eliminates the threat to the whales by removing that line.
When they're going out to deploy their gear, they'll kick off their traps off the back of the boat, and this rope containment cage, it's down there and out of sight. It's automatically recording that information of when it went off the boat, when it comes back on, all the pieces that are connected together. So we have a really good understanding of not only what has been deployed, but also where it is and how it is. When they come back in to retrieve their catch, they activate an acoustic release. It's an acoustic signal that is sent down through the water column from the vessel, activates the release on the Moby, allowing the rope and the buoy to come back up to the surface, and then they haul their catch in the way they normally would. Right from day one, we've been working with the fishing community in understanding the design, the process, really trying to adapt the technology to the way they fish. So one of the things that fishermen wear is these large blue gloves. So the whole idea of this blue glove certified, it's kind of the sniff test. Can you operate this wearing those blue gloves? There's a lot of benefits to the fishermen. One of the things right off the bat is it's whale-safe gear. So that's taking the ropes, taking the buoys, taking it out of the water column so that it's free for marine life to be able to pass, whether that's whales, sea turtles, whatever it is. And quite often those will wind up caught up in propellers or dragged off. And so by taking all this, containing it on the ocean floor, it eliminates a lot of that risk of propeller cutting or accidental damage to their gear.
The Government of Canada has been closing fishing areas when right whales are there to fisheries. So by having this on-demand gear, there is a chance that fish harvesters can still fish in these closed areas while the right whales are there. So it balances conservation with maintaining the livelihoods of fish harvesters.
As we know better, we do better. And that's what we're about. We're a BlueTech company developing solutions so that environmental interests can coincide with commercial interests.